My friends, despite the fact that this chapter is very practical and important, it's also very convenient and you can easily learn it and use it in your files. An Excel hyperlink is a reference to a specific location, document, or web page that the user can refer to by clicking on the link. Hyperlinks in Excel are easy to recognize. It's generally a highlighted text with a blue line, which is shown here. In the hyperlink discussion, there are two topics. One is tools and one is its function. In this section, we will learn about hyperlink tools. The most common way to insert a hyperlink directly into a cell is to use the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, which can be accessed in 3 different ways. First method, select the cell in which you want to put the link. Then, from the Insert tab, select the link option and enter the hyperlink window, or right-click on the desired cell and select the link option from the opened menu. And the third method is to use the Control shortcut key plus the letter K. Now, in the hyperlink window that was shown to us on the left side, we select the existing file or web page option. What file do we want to open or what web page do we want to use? Here, we can enter the address of our desired website and we can also choose the desired file from this section. Now, if we click OK, you will see that a link has been created in the selected cell. And if we click on it, the linked file will be displayed. In this hyperlink window, there are several options. This is the part where our link address is located. The text to display part is the text that will be displayed to us as a link. See, for example, I put the text test here. Now, if we click OK, you will see that the name of the link has changed. But what does the screen tip option do? Well, see, when you hover over this link, this text is shown to us and we can change this text from the screen tip option. For example, we write search. Now you will see by hovering, it will show us the word search. The next point is about bookmarks. Sometimes we may only want to link a part of the file and we don't want to link the whole file. For example, in this Excel file, we want to go to its sheet 1. That is, when we click on the link, it will go to sheet 1 of the file. For this, we select the file and then select bookmark. Now you'll see all the sheets of the file will be shown to us. Now we select the desired sheet and select the desired cell in the Type in the Cell Reference section. Now you can see that the address of our link has changed in the address section. Now when we press OK and click on the link, it will show us sheet 1 and the selected cell. But in addition to text in cells, many worksheet objects including charts, images, text boxes, and shapes can be converted to clickable hyperlinks. To do this, we right-click on the desired object, click on the link and set the link as we explained earlier. And now, if you click on the linked figure, you will enter the desired file. If you want to insert a large number of the same or similar hyperlinks, the fastest way is to use the hyperlink formula, which makes it easier to create, copy, and edit hyperlinks in Excel. The hyperlink function in Excel is used to create a shortcut that directs the user to a specified location in the same document or opens another document or web page. The arguments of this function are two parts. The link location part is a path to a web page or file to be opened. The friendly name part is the text that is displayed in the cell containing the formula, and by clicking on it, you will go to the linked address. Suppose we have 4 Excel files. One of the files is called search. We open this file. We select a cell. With the control plus the letter K, we enter the hyperlink window and select one of these files. Now we select the next cell and link the next file and also link the next cell to the next file. Now if the number of these links is high, what should we do? Well, guys, pay attention. We cannot do this one by one. So here we have to write the formula to do this automatically. So we enter the hyperlink function. As you can see, the first parameter of this function is the address. And we need to give it an address. See, when we go to the hyperlink window, this is our address field. So, guys, these are the addresses of our links. As you can see, these addresses, their first part is a variable, and we have to link it to a cell. Now, for example, we enter a number in this cell, so we write equal this cell and enter, and inside the quotation we enter .xlsx, which is an Excel format. Now, as soon as we change this cell will also change dynamically. Well, guys, thanks for staying with me, and I hope you are not bored until here. So, here we have to dynamically define an address for our formula. Now we enter the hyperlink in this section. So this is our address. And in the word field, we enter the search. And you can enter any word you want. Now, as soon as you click on the link, it will open the desired file. Now we change this cell. For example, we write 11. Now if we click on search, it will show us file 11. Be careful in this part. The important thing is the first parameter, link location, which must be a dynamic address. If you have created a hyperlink using the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, use a similar dialog box to modify it. Well, for this purpose, right-click on a cell that has a hyperlink and select Edit Hyperlink from the context menu. From the opened window, make the desired changes in the link text or link location or both and click OK. To change the hyperlink written with the formula, select the cell containing the hyperlink formula and modify the formula's arguments. To remove the hyperlink, right-click on the link and select Remove Hyperlink from the context menu. This will remove a clickable hyperlink, but keep the link text in the cell. And to remove the link text, right-click on the cell and then click on Clear Contents.